Hey curl friends, it's NowIAmNappy and I'm back for another Tip Tuesday. So this week I'm doing something a little bit different because I'm talking about something I've seen all on the internet, on Instagram and YouTube, used to detoxify as a skin mask. And I'm talking about today is activated charcoal. Now again, I've definitely seen people do this like rip off skin mask, which is to me a little bit ridiculous. But people use it to whiten their teeth and to detoxify other parts of their body. I will list all of the ingredients of that and how people use it down below on my blog. But today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what is activated charcoal and how I'm going to use it to detoxify my hair. So activated charcoal is made from wood or maybe like coconut husk, and it's heated to really, really high temperature until that ash or charcoal forms, and then it's an expanded form of charcoal. It's not the same charcoal you use when you're lighting a grill. So don't get it confused. Don't try to use some of that and do this to detoxify your hair. It's not the same. When it's heated that high, it has like little pores or holes in it, and that is used to remove, and that soaks up all the oil and the dirt and removes the toxins from whatever surface it's put into. So I'm going to show you guys probably a little picture off to the side so you guys know what I'm talking about. All right, now some people use this in their regimen to detoxify their hair again, and they use it in instances in which like maybe they swim a lot, so they have like a lot of chlorine, or people who have hard water, they have a lot of mineral buildup, or maybe you have a lot of buildup over time from excess sebum, excess products. You may notice that your hair is not responding to maybe your favorite conditioner or just products in the same way that it normally would. So then you know now's a great time to think about detoxifying your hair. Some people just make it into a mask. Some people just add a teaspoon to their shampoo. But today I'm actually going to be trying out this detox conditioner that contains activated charcoal. Now I'm going to try this conditioner as a co-wash. So I want to see how my hair responds to it, if it gives me enough cleansing as well as moisturizing properties as a detoxing cleanser. And so I'm going to walk you guys through this process. I'm going to just get my hair wet and I'll come right back on for you guys. Okay, so I just finished rinsing my hair and now I'm ready to use this detox conditioner. And I'm really excited to try this because I don't know if you guys have ever used activated charcoal before, but it is very messy and it stains everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. Doesn't look like it will stain anywhere. It rubs right in, so. Oh, smells so good. All right, so I'm gonna try and put this on in some sections. Try to moisturize it all the way down. Focus this a little bit on my scalp as well to remove any impurities that have built up on my scalp. Go ahead and do this all over and then put it in twists. And according to the instructions here, you should leave on 5 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna go for the full 20 minutes since I did not shampoo my hair. And I wanna see how my hair feels, you know, if it feels clean and everything once I rinse it out. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this all on my hair. There's menthol in this, so it's like really invigorating right now. Like all of my pores feel like they're opened up and awakened. Okay, so now that I put all the conditioner in my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and sit under my steamer for about 20 minutes, and then come back on after it's all rinsed out, all right? All right, so I just rinsed out all of the detox conditioner. My scalp actually still feels pretty invigorated from the menthol that's in that detox conditioner. And I just want to show you guys what my hair looks like. It feels very moisturized. I haven't detangled with it. I did finger detangle my hair when I was putting the conditioner in, but so far my hair looks pretty good and it feels pretty moisturized. My scalp feels clean as well. So, you know, I recommend that you give it a try, either trying this conditioner or try adding activated charcoal to your own shampoo or conditioner. Okay, I am going to be leaving a full recipe for DIY shampoo on my blog, so definitely make sure you go check that out, as well as my Instagram for all the tips I'm going to be sharing with you guys this week, and hopefully for everyone on Tip Tuesday. All right, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.